Okay, this is going to be part 2 for the notes for 2A. So right before we ended, we were talking about different ways that it could look to be an inscribed and what we do with that measurement. So an inscribed could look something like this. Again, the key is where is that vertex point? Okay, so on this second page, I want to go through some notes of a different looking type, but it's still called an inscribed because the vertex of the angle is on the circle. So the type of picture I'm looking at right here is an example of an inscribed angle. It looks a little bit different than those on the first page. And you'll notice the directions say, or the theorem says, if a tangent and a chord, so here's my tangent and AB is my chord, intersect at a point on the circle, there's my point A, then the measure of each angle formed, angle 1, angle 2, is half the measure of its intercepted arc. Okay, so if I look at angle 1, angle 1 is an inscribed angle. It's going to be half of this arc that goes all the way right into point A. Okay, angle 2 is also an inscribed angle, and it's going to be 1/2 of its inscribed or intercepted circle, which goes all the way around over here. Okay, so depending on which side you look at will tell you which arc you are going to need to find that. So here's two examples. First of all, angle 1 right here. Okay, we know it's inscribed because the vertex is on the circle, and its arc is going to be, starts here because there's no else that it hits there, and as it comes out here, this is the arc that I need. Okay, the measurement stays the same as we did before, where the angle is half of the arc. So the arc is 150, half of that is going to give 75 degrees. So angle 1 would be 75. And kind of the cool thing here is this angle 75 and this one are linear pairs. So if I know one, I know the other one. So if that's 75, this is 105. And I can tell that from the arc that it goes with also. Okay, so in this one, if I wanted to find the measure of this angle right here, or this arc, let's do that arc. We can find everything actually. So this is 130, I know this is 50. So I know this arc is 100 because I'm moving out to the arc, it's going to be doubled. And if that's 100, the rest of the circle all the way around has to be 360 minus the 100, or 260. And guess what? Half of that is this inscribed angle of 130. So, hey, good luck on those. If you have any questions, let me know.